Hey, hoi.
Hey!
En dan ook naartoe met mijn hoofd. Where should I go with my head?
Okay, so the first laser beam is here. It's a vertical one.
Okay.
And so, let me check for a moment. So there's one here. So if you have your head around here, it's fine. Okay, you can come closer, but you have to watch out because there's one over here. So
Okay.
you should keep kind of low, but higher than this. Alright, now you can come closer and a bit to the right. Yes, closer, closer. And then a bit closer. And you can stand up again. Alright. Let me check the following one, because there's one here. It's a diagonal one. And so it's for you, you can go down here. If you yes, great. And now come here. Yes. Yeah. That's awesome. You're already there. Nice. Good job.
Alright.
High five.
Thanks.
Alright.
Which should I pick?
So you need to pick this one. And let me check. This one. And then as a third one, this one. Okay, great. Come with me. Okay, you can put them here on the table. Alright, so can you flip this one over?
What direction?
Like this. Yes, okay, great. Okay, so this one, the laser now points in that direction. So you have to rotate it to the left. And a bit more. Yes, great job. Okay.
Yay.
This one points into that direction. So we have to turn it to the right. So here, a bit more. Stop. Great. Alright, the last one points into this direction. So we have to turn it to the right. And more. Stop. Great, awesome.
Yes. What is the code?
5874.
Alright. High five.
Nice.